This just got delivered today. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in 512 gig white Titan colorway, and yeah, I'll just do a quick unboxing to show you what's in this. But before I do, actually I should just in full disclosure, this is going to be replacing my old iPhone right here. This is my phone right now. This is my wife's 14 Pro Max, so you can see that we have quite a few iPhones here. My entire family is just using iPhones. Yeah. Let's just quickly do an unboxing and see what's in the box. Yeah, that moment of truth. There you go. This is the white colorway. I've been wanting to get myself a white for a while now. I guess I'm getting a little bored with the regular colors, the titanium gray and so on and so forth. Thought I'll get a different color this time around. And let's get this out of the box. Yeah. This is frosted glass, and the Apple logo is only visible at certain angles, I guess. You don't see it that obvious. Yeah, and the new camera button right here. Right. And what else is in the box? Let's just keep this aside for a second. And inside the box, just the braided cable, which is quite nice. I'm glad that they're giving a braided cable now. Seems much high quality. Some paperwork, but no Apple stickers this time around. And that's about it. That's pretty minimal. That's not much in there. And so that's all that you get in the box. My wife's 14 Pro Max, and here's it sitting right next to my 15 Pro Max. Yeah, so you see, there you go.